All right, guys, we made it. We're at Thunder Valley Dragway. All right, boys. Well, we got the wheel on it. Jim and Randy got the front end. Jim, what you doing? Why ain't the front end black?
Nope.
Couldn't deal with it.
Nope.
He's like, we are not putting it back black. Randy agreed.
Randy. Yeah, he did agree after I said I wasn't doing it.
So,
Here we go. Here we go.
So how much paint we got left? How many more times I got to crash it?
You could actually put a scratch on it, just a little bit on the corner, and that's all we got.
So what I'm hearing you say is, don't be a hero, don't be stupid. If it wiggles, let off the gas.
Don't hit the panic button. Just leave that thing
Don't
on.
hit the scramble.
Matter of fact, take it off the steering wheel.
I need to disable it, don't I? I just need to disable it. Look, see. I agree. Other tires on it. We've been working on it for a little while. So this one's on, the real wheels on it. So now, something that we were talking about is this TBM stuff. We got our new hub stuff, and I have not had my front wind speed sensor on it. So we're putting this wheel speed sensor on it because we got it, we've had it, and I just hadn't run it. So we're going to use drive shaft speed for main traction control. But if something happens and you spin early and then you're low, then you don't have traction control no more. So I'm going to do a front versus rear wheel offset. I've never done that, so if y'all have ever done that, let me know how it works out. But we're setting this gap now. TBM stuff is amazing. We swapped all our stuff over. Got new studs, a new hub, took the rotor and the drive shaft ring off. The other one was just tweaked a little bit, like I was saying. So we're going to take the other one and just throw it in the trailer, and that way if we got a spare, I mean, it was runnable, but not ideal. So we're gonna set our gap. It says between about 60 thousandths, 30 to 100. Get Austin. Austin's gonna have to wire it. We've already got a plug here for wiring, but he's gonna have to do that for us. Just got done with my car. Woo, boy, they killed it. Looks good. So I didn't wreck it. Saturday, we're going racing at Thunder Valley with that one today. right, guys, we made it. We're at Thunder Valley Dragway. Just got it unloaded, done a spool test, made 8 pounds of boost, right on point. They had a big oil down apparently a couple hours ago, and they're still cleaning up. Apparently it oiled down the whole track, but it is packed out here. I mean, it is packed. So first round for us is normally drivers meetings at 8 or 8:30. It may get pushed back. I don't know if you can see back there though. There is some rain. It looks like it's going mostly north, but about 11 o'clock or so, it may come this way. So hopefully we're gonna be able to get it in and we're not gonna get rained out. I mean, it is what it is, right? When I looked at the weather last, it was like 0% chance of rain, and then it jumped up to like 10%, and then now it's like, yeah, it may rain. So luckily it's cooling down. Just got here, like I said, it was about 7:30 when we got here. All my guys got here earlier, Keith, Brandon, all these guys, so we'll see what happens. Let's go take a look at the track. All right, guys, they're almost done finishing up the track now. They're almost done getting the oil up out of it, but it is getting windy. And here's a screenshot of the radar that's coming in about an hour. So we're gonna make this thing easy to load back up. We're gonna make it easy to load back up. Appreciate him buying us some t-shirts, supporting Turbo John. Look, we're about to blow the hood off. Nick, we have problems with that, don't we? Nick saved us a spot, but we're way down here at the starting line. Appreciate Nick coming. Nick had an eventful trip coming up here too. Strap broke on the race car trailer, open trailer, and luckily they were pulling off, and the car fell off the trailer.
About 40 miles an hour.
40 mile an hour.
Like the parking beam and transmission. But it still working.
Wouldn't that have been interesting if about 80 mile an hour if it would have broke?
So we got lucky.
Actually, it did break. It had to have been broke at 80 miles an hour.
Lucky lightning had to be.
Woo! Man.
If not, we'd have been going that fast.
Yeah, you can go ahead and put it on.
Yeah, we had a good load on.
Man. I'm sorry. All right, guys, we are ready to go make a pass. Man, it is packed down here. There's that one cloud. Let's go there and look at the track. And one cloud might get us. So I am making it, not taking the smart car out, making it easy to get loaded up just in case it rains. If it just rains a little bit, not a big deal. But if it rains a lot, what's up, buddy? How are you? Good seeing you. Good seeing you. Did y'all bring y'all's car? Did you bring your dad's car? Oh, okay, cool. What's happening? Hey, how are y'all? But yeah, we'll see what happened, guys. We're gonna walk over there to the starting line and see what it's looking like. Apparently they had to strip the entire right lanes. All right, boys, Chris is here. He's got his car rolling up right now to the 530. Is it a shakedown or is it the race? Shakedown. Shakedown. There's a crowd here. All right, guys, it just started drizzling. I'm feeling a couple raindrops here too. Spotty showers. Let's see, they're doing some shakedowns. They got the track good. A few cars run before I got up here. Chad's going out there now to check it out. Remember, rain, if you have rain on the racetrack, it's bad. It's starting to pick up a little bit right here, right now. Let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and go get my car in the trailer. Bye. All right, boys, rain got us. We went. we went. It is raining hard, and there's a lot of people. The crowd is still trying to get out. So we didn't make any passes, none. We got it unloaded, but I guess if we'd have got here earlier, no, we wouldn't even got to make any passes earlier because of the oil down. So it is what it is. All right, guys, comment, like, and subscribe. We hopefully the game plan. Y'all gonna see a video after this one. We're working on Randy's car. Hopefully, we're gonna be at Rockingham with his car next week. Chris, uh-oh, I thought he was stuck. But we are hopefully going to be at Rockingham with his. We'll see what happens. Got some work to do on this one. I want to go through the valves and stuff. I did hit the rev limiter at 8,600 RPM on the pass against Detroit last week. It's still running fine. Everything's good. But it'd probably be a good idea to just run through the valves. All right, guys, comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see y'all next upload. Appreciate it.